If you're like me and you wake up with dry skin, a stuffy nose, or cracked lips, this one is for you. I used to feel like humidifiers needed constant refilling and barely worked for big spaces. But then I found the VAC 12-liter. It runs up to 120 hours, it covers up to 1,000 square feet, and you can top fill it without spills. You get 3 mist levels, a 24-hour timer, and it even doubles as an essential oil diffuser. That was a big, big thing for me. I just love it. It's whisper quiet and perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or honestly, your whole home. It's a total air upgrade.